In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in the Crew 2 offline to unlock all cars, money and progress instantly. Check my video description for this site link. Select this TC as save editor and check my video description for this save file download link. Select the manual download option and select download and select slow download option. Once the save editor download done, select this folder icon, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Do the same thing for main save. Open the save editor folder. Now open new tab and open documents, tag crew 2 and save. And you just need to copy this code. Just right click and select rename. Copy the code and right click on this data.json and select edit in notepad. In this two quotation, you just need to paste inside the quotation and select file and select save option. Once you're done, go back to downloads, open this main save, copy this main save and paste it in the save editor folder. Now drag and drop this main save.bin inside this save editor.exe. Select more info and select run anyway option. And once this done, press any key to continue, press enter. And now drag and drop the save.xml inside this DC2 save editor. Once you done this, press any key and main save bin. Just copy the main save bin and navigate to documents, the crew 2, save, random number. Before dropping the save, you need to back up your game progress. Name it as backup and then drop this save and paste the edited save and launch the game. As you can see, the profile has successfully loads, and that's how you can install this 100% save file in the Crew 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.